Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin wa bihi nasta'in wa ala amri wa din. Assalatu wassalamu ala asyrafil anbiya'i wal mursalin sayyidina wa maulana Muhammadin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi wa barik wa sallim ajma'in amma ba'du. For the first one, in the name of Allah, the most gracious and the most merciful, I testify that no God but Allah, and I testify that Muhammad is His messenger. Excellency for Dr. Anifdin Ma'adun and Dr. Kharatul Idawati, as the director of Representatives Berkamlah Rabbi Hanifida, honorable for of my teacher, my family, and the Balgadi United, and for watching my video. Let me introduce myself. My name is Alfida Mishita. You can call me Alfia. I'm from 12. I'm Al-Qur'an. Today I would like to talk my generation map to tell us about the adoptive parents. Adoptive parents. They have adoptive parents is the respect for the children and their parents. Obedience and affection who show to our parents. It is a form of appreciated for their service and sacrifice in raising and educating us. Adoptive parents is a religious teaching that is highly emphasized, especially in Islam. Why is adoptive parents is important? The religious obligation. In Islam, being kind to one's parents is a highly emphasized obligation. So you can number 2, repayment of a kindness. Repayment of a kindness. Doing good to your parents will get a great reward from Allah Subhanahu wa Taala. Number 3, keeping in touch. Adoptive parent will strengthen family, will relationship and maintain friendship. Number 4, set an example. Respectful behavior towards. So our parents will set a good example for our children and our grandchildren. Example of adoptive parents. Number 1, speak softly. Number 2, obeying others. Number 3, asking for permission. Number 4, visiting. Number 5, you have to pray for your parents to get some good ones of parents. Some good Berlaku from Allah Subhanahu wa Taala to your parents. The last one is evidence on adoptive parents. Adoptive parents is a reflection of a noble character. By practicing good manners towards our parents, we not only honor them but also draw closer to Allah Subhanahu wa Taala. Okay, I think it's enough for today. Thank you for your attention. I hope it's beneficial for you all. I'm sorry if I have a mistake. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.